Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video. Today I wanted to come on real quick just to share my Thanksgiving and Christmas cards and my my video is weird today. So let me quickly share before it goes bonkers. So this is my Thanksgiving card. It's using the Hobby Lobby's sunflower. I think it was a foam sunflower, and it's stitched and everything. I love it. I used it's not a sketch, but it was an idea from Mary over at Cards TV, and she gave me this idea that it was great. I just had to try it. So I made them all like this. I don't know what it's called. Um, I forgot. All you do is just cut your A2 size card, the cover in half, and then you just decorate this, and then you have a panel, and then it opens up like that. I thought that was just so neat. I've seen these cards made before, and I've done something similar. I don't think I've done it for my family, but this was the year. I used a stamp set from Target. I used my finger bow with some really thin ribbon, some bling, and that is my Thanksgiving card this year. Next is my Christmas card, and it's very simple, but I love this die. This die came from I think it was AliExpress. I've had it in my stash for several years now. Haven't been purchasing from them as much, but this card was, or this idea came from Pinterest. I used cardstock from Michaels. It is called, I think it's Current. I think. Yeah, I think it's Current. It looks purple, but it's not the color of the paper. Must be on this side. Yeah, I used that side. um, anyway, so I embossed it with this embossing folder from my stash. I've had this for many years. It's called Modern Wallpaper. I cut the panel out with Spellbinders Deco Rectangle. And then I cut out the holly leaves with Spellbinders. I think it's called Peppermint Stick. So this is what I had in my stash, and I want to use what's in my stash because I have so much. I think we all do. Then I use this. It's almost like Rub and Buff. If you have Rub and Buff, this is perfect for this effect. And all I did was take a little bit. This is almost like beeswax. And it comes in silver, bronze. I think this is gold, and I think I have a rose gold one. And I've had this in my stash for a long time. So I just rubbed it on the embossing. Not too much. I just kind of like here and there, and then also on the tops of the die cut. I also used a stamp set that I've had in my stash forever. It is Letters to Santa from Reno and Coco, and it came in this really cute little bag, and there is the postcard stamp, and this goes with it. It's a twofer. Anyway, I stamped the background with some stamps from that set. I also stamped Believe on the corner here. I don't know if you can tell. It's not really focusing. Let's see if I do that. Yep. There it is. And then I also stamped the background here and here. I inked the edges with my Distress Inks Vintage Photo and walnut stain on the holly leaves, this background, and also on the main card itself. Added some bling. This is twine from Lawn Fawn. I think Jill from Greenwood Girls Cards. I'll link her down below. She had mentioned this twine, and I love it. I've been looking for some cranberry twine, for holiday crafting. So I added that there, and then I added these little foam glittered balls from the Dollar Tree. And I have a pack here. I think they came in red and silver. Yeah. And then I ripped the paper so it would expose the stamping. I ripped it here and also here. And that is my Christmas card for 2025. I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great rest of your week. I hope you had a blessed Thanksgiving with family and friends. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.